Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shakia if you are new here. I am a licensed esthetician. I specialize in corrective skincare, and in today's video I will be sharing this month's complimentary skincare regimen. I send a complimentary skincare regimen to my GLOWList every month. There's a different theme for every month, and on this skincare regimen, select products are 20% off, and they're 20% off the entire month. So this entire month of October, select products from the skincare regimen that I am about to share with you will be 20% off. Another way for you to receive this complimentary skincare regimen is by following me on all of my socials, because I post on there. I will try to do the same on this channel, my YouTube channel, so that you're able to get these deals as well. But the first ones to receive this complimentary skincare regimen is my GLOWList. So make sure that you are subscribed to the GLOWList so that you are the first one to know about these skincare regimens as well as the products that are on sale. So this month's skincare regimen's theme is Barrier First, which I think is perfect because we just switched into fall. And this is the perfect time to do your corrective skincare treatments. Get on a skincare regimen so that your skin is ready for next spring and summer. This Barrier First regimen promote hydration and recovery using nourishing ingredients that help lock in moisture while shielding your skin from environmental stressors. The result is a balanced, healthy complexion with improved defense against irritation and damage. And of course, after I share this regimen and everything, you can reach out to me and ask me any questions. So in the comments down below, ask me any questions that you have. Everything in this skincare regimen will be in the description box, so make sure that you check it there so that you can look at the regimen. And if you are interested in purchasing any of these skincare products, that information will be down in the description box. Listen to this video after you have received your skincare products and I can walk you through this skincare regimen. So what's nice about these skincare regimens that I send out monthly is that there's a morning, an evening, and then there's also a weekly routine included. All right, so for the morning, you would first want to cleanse with the vitamin C cleanser. You would want to work this into the skin for 1 to 2 minutes. This cleanser is a creamy cleanser, so it is great for strengthening your barrier because you know that your skin barrier won't be stripped. It'll leave your skin feeling very hydrated. If you've never used a creamy cleanser before, you just want to apply the vitamin C cleanser into the palm of your hands, and then you would work it into your skin for 1 to 2 minutes, and you would remove with warm water. If you feel like there's still a residue on your skin after you rinse your face with warm water, then try using a disposable face cloth. Or if you know that you wash your reusable face cloths every day, then remove with a warm, damp cloth. The next step is to mist with the CBD skin mist. This mist helps to rebalance the skin, antioxidant, great for redness, great for those who have oily skin. This mist also contains niacinamide. I typically just take the mist and spray the mist on to my skin, but you can also put that mist on cotton rounds. The next step is to apply the pigment brightening serum. I recommend this serum to most of my clients. It's a great serum. This is your tyrosinase inhibitor, so if you suffer from redness or if you have any pigmentation concerns, this is a must in your skincare regimen. This serum helps to promote and maintain healthy skin. Next, you want to go in with the Barrier Repair Cream. I currently have this in my skincare regimen right now. It's a nice moisturizer. You also want to make sure that you're using this moisturizer under the eye area as well, so that you're not neglecting your under eye area. And then, as always, 365 days out of the year, you want to make sure that you are wearing SPF. And you want to make sure that you are applying this SPF every 2 hours throughout the day. And that is everything for your morning skincare routine. Now let's get into the evening skincare routine. If you haven't been double cleansing, make sure you start double cleansing. It's just great to make sure that you are thoroughly cleansing your skin at the end of the day. Your first cleanse will be the vitamin C cleanser, and this will help break down any debris, dirt on the skin, and it'll also, if you are a makeup wearer, help to break down that makeup. And most importantly, it is to help break down that SPF that you used this morning and throughout the day. And that way you can get into the second cleanse, and for the second cleanse, you'll be using the foaming cleanser. For each of these cleanses, you want to make sure that you are cleansing your face for 1 to 2 minutes. And just like with the vitamin C cleanser, you want to make sure that you are removing that foaming cleanser with warm water. The next step is to go in with the CBD skin mist and mist that all over your face to help balance and just for any extra hydration that you may need. The next step is to use that pigment brightening serum and make sure to apply that all over your skin, your neck, and your décolleté. Then you would go in with the Barrier Repair Cream. You can also go in with the Firming Eye Cream for under the eye and around the eye area. And that is your evening routine. And then for during the week, for those who like to have a little spa night at home, or they love just to apply face masks, and this can just be once a week. In the evening after your second cleanse, you can apply the CBD hydrotherapy mask. You would apply this mask for anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse with water, and then go and do the remaining steps of your evening skincare routine. If I forgot to mention, these are all Glymed Plus products. So yeah, they will all be linked down below. You click the link in my description box, it'll take you to all of those products that are on this month's complimentary skincare regimen, and you can pick and choose which products you would like to purchase. If you enjoy these kinds of videos, or if you're interested in monthly complimentary skincare regimens, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to this video, and make sure that you are also subscribed to the GLOWList so that you're able to see these regimens before these YouTube videos drop. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.